The Center for Writing and Communication works with students to help them develop critical thinking, writing, and communication skills through one-on-one appointments and workshops. One-on-one sessions are one of the ways in which the CWC helps and supports the student community in their thinking and writing process. This video shows you how to book appointments with the CWC. To book an appointment with us, please visit the MYWCO Ashoka portal. Please make sure that you have registered on the portal using your Ashoka email address. After you register, log into the MyWCO portal using your Ashoka email ID. On the portal, you will see a list of tutors and time slots available. Choose a tutor and an available time slot. After you choose the tutor and the time slot, you will be directed to a form that asks you to fill in the details on what you want to work on. It is important that you fill this form as it helps your tutor to understand your needs better and be prepared for the session. We encourage you to submit assignment prompts, questions, and drafts with the form. These documents will help us make our sessions more meaningful and structured. Once you submit the form, your appointment is booked, and all you have to do is come meet us. We look forward to seeing you. Our office is on the 3rd floor admin block.